Oh, hey
hello
guys.
Welcome back
to our channel. We are organizing all of these fidgets.
Yeah, she has way more fidgets than like these, but like
yeah, I have way more.
These were the ones that were in the fidgets.
I can't attack my fidgets.
Alright, you can stop now. There's fidgets everywhere now.
I just got screwed by fidgets. I got a fidget phone case. It does fit my phone, guys, but I decided because it kept falling off. It's really cute.
So we're gonna be organizing these fidgets by.
The fidgets are attacking me.
You're not. Okay, stop. Okay. So we're gonna be organizing them by poppet. Well, first we're just gonna make a big pile of poppets. So let's get started.
Okay, this is.
So I'll show you a couple clips in between, but I'll fully show you once we're done.
Yeah, we'll show you we'll show you when I get the first pile.
We're actually doing mochis first because there's mochis everywhere, and we don't want them stuck in her rug because her rug is like really nice. So yeah.
And my friend ruined it. She made it black. If you see it, I'm not blaming you, but I know you did it. I'm sorry, and I'm not calling no names because I already know who it is.
Yeah, I already know who it is now because she told me.
Okay, let's start.
Yeah, so
this is my brand new bracelet.
I already got like a huge pile of mochis.
Wait, while she cleans it up, I'm gonna show you puppet makeup. Okay, first I'm gonna get a puppet bracelet. It's kind of like makeup. It's like, wait, can I use it for hair? People are asking me in TikTok if I can use it for my hair. Let's see if it does work.
Okay, you guys can just watch her.
She's just gonna. I don't know if it will. Oh, it doesn't. So we only can use it for bracelets. I make fidgets. You should go to my .com and I fix slimes, make slimes, and make fidgets. You should go on fidget.
She's organizing her fidget her fidget.
This
collection.
is my fidgets, but we have a big factory making all these. You guys should follow to my. Now I got a sword, but never use this at an airport because just slaps me in the face. Do you want to practice it? I will hit you hard.
No.
You can do it to me, but not hard.
No. Wham.
You can't do that at airport or you'll be kicked off the airplane and you'll have to go skydiving.
With no skydiving equipment on.
Okay, I'm going to start organizing the puppets. We're doing it.
We're
going to do it the whole video. We're going to talk to them.
Alright, so we're gonna...
Oh, yeah, I got 2 square puppets.
We need to move all these puppets. They're making me go insane. Like,
I'm organizing.
Just move.
That is the weirdest scream I've ever done in my whole life. I was like, I have so many unicorn puppets. Oh my god.
What?
I have 3 unicorn puppets.
No, I'm trying to get through.
Okay, I'm trying to organize. Okay, I'm getting them all.
I'm trying to get through. Oh no, there's...
That cord needs to be in there.
What?
Because I have nowhere else to put it. And this girl, slime, her slime, it was on my old phone and we just made it and it won't let us into it. This slime is messy.
It's so
if your name starts with a P, that means like he's in my rug. Because anybody with a P is gay. I'm gonna start organizing. So we're gonna do string by string. This is where all the mini fidgets gonna go.
Hold on, we have to get this stuff out. Hold on, we'll show you guys once we finally got the first door done. So we got all the. I literally, this slime now is ruined. Has so much hair in it, but it's okay. There's at least cute charms in it.
I'm in there, and you should go to my bio to see them, and you can buy your own shows, and you'll be rich off slime, and everybody will be like, "Ooh, can I try? That's because I have to when I started making.
Where is the container for the slime?
I don't know. What did you put it at?
Where did you put it at?
We're gonna put mini poppets up here. Only mini poppets.
Where is it?
Where is? Guys, and if you guys, for $20, you get 500 mini Pop-Its and 1 keychain. Yeah, you guys will love it. See, look, I'm starting to make the orders, so you guys should see it when it comes out.
How long is this video already?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Okay, it's gonna be a long minute. Or a long.
SpongeBob SquarePants. I don't know why that just came in my head.
But there's a lot of like
Fidgets.
weird mochis everywhere.
I know. I got them for my Christmas, and I made some too.
How did you make mochi?
Well, I let you guys know about my factory.
Oh yes, the factory. I forgot about that.
Yeah, my best friend works there too.
Yeah, who's your best friend?
You
Oh.
here.
Does Steven work there?
Is he not your best friend? He thinks I'm his boyfriend, but I don't know. He still thinks it, but I
What
can't.
is that?
An ice pack, just in case the slime is injured.
Wait, is this video rolling?
Yeah.
Hold on, sorry. Where did you get these?
Oh, I made them.
How?
You know how to make those?
No, I don't.
Well, I'll show you how. After
It's probably a kit from like somewhere.
It's not a kit, girl. I made these for my video.
Oh yes, I forgot.
I don't have
I
this.
keep forgetting she has a company.
I kind of like a warehouse, yeah.
Yeah, it's a company in a warehouse.
Yeah, I'm making a keychain if you're ever bored and you don't like your fidgets, so you get a whole keychain.
Oh my god, stop being so like weird.
I have millions of flowers, girl, and I got my own business.
Oh my god.
And yesterday, you guys should see, look at my shorts and see what one of my friends did yesterday at Memorial Park. He got, you know, I'm first teacher, and this random boy went front and water like Well, to be continued. About her. She's okay.
Yeah, she's.
I had no idea what I was just gonna murder my friend.
What are you doing here?
No.
I'm trying. Hold on. I don't know what I'm doing actually. I'll do it. Since I'm a master at organizing. Since I organized your whole warehouse, Johnny.
Okay, you can organize the fidgets. I'm gonna show them. This tastes like garbage. Don't try grandma after that tastes like garbage.
What?
Uh-oh.
Oh, you just saw them everywhere.
I'm gonna make a poison. I'm gonna feed it to Josiah.
Oh, don't do
Wait,
that.
Josiah knows my YouTube channel.
Wait,
I'm sorry, Josiah.
yeah, there's a difference with Josiah.
Yeah, there's no Josiah at my old school.
Wait, we weren't even recording.
We were?
No, I said.
We are.
No, I know. I said I wasn't when I told you. So now they don't even know what you're talking about.
Oh yeah, Josiah, I don't know who he is. Okay, she's at work with the fidgets because I don't know what she's doing over there. I'm an organizer. Now I'm gonna spray donut everywhere. Ah!
What is that? It's my hair. Don't do it.
This is what it's for.
Ew, it smells bad. It smells weird.
It does smell bad.
What is it? Well, we'll show you. We'll be back in a little bit once we stop goofing around, but that's never gonna happen. So. Okay, guys. So I have been working on this drawer. Well,
Not anymore.
I've done a little bit to it. Me and Ava were goofing around for a while, so I didn't really get much work in, but I still did stuff.
Yeah, we're in our factory right now, guys. If you hear a noise like
Yeah, there's a weird noise, like no, not that. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's like Stop doing that, Ava!
there was a weird noise.
But there's so many fidgets everywhere. But like Oh, slime. But now the next, like, because I did pop tubes. Please stop, ma'am. I did pop.
I'm a customer.
No, it's
We
not.
have a store now.
Okay, leave me alone. Hold on. Just let me finish what I was saying. So we did mochis, pop tubes, and now I'm doing like fidget spinners, but like pop-it things. So yeah, or pretty much fidget spinners slash stuff. So I'll show you guys once I done some stuff to it, and Ava can give you her talk show if she wants to. Do you want to?
Yeah.
Okay, she's gonna give you her talk show.
Hello. This feels weird. Well, she. You should put some. You should
Do
do
your talk show.
Yeah, I'm doing this talk show too.
I know. I'm still working.
I'm gonna be a Karen guy. Ma'am, we're gonna show a daily basis at our store, and I'm gonna act like a customer. Ma'am, I like a fidget. That's how daily basis is here. You see that every day, all day. Yeah, this world's full of Karens. Like Karen City. Okay, I'm gonna start helping. It's my shift. Your shift. Now you're on talk show shift. You're on talk show shift. Okay, she shot. Scary skeleton. You're on talk show.
I know, 1 minute, ma'am.
I'm the boss of this girl, so this is my friend. Like, she needs to listen. What's in there, girl? Ew, don't touch it. Don't spill it.
Can I dump this out in the garbage? Dad, I'm gonna dump this out in the garbage. Like, you guys can barely see it, but like that. So we're gonna have to stop this video because it's already like 12 minutes and like 20 seconds. So yeah, we need to stop this.
Whoever likes and follows gets this whole bottle. I mean, oh my god, bucket of fidgets. So like, follow, and share, and comment. And just like that, and you'll get, and I'll show you, and you'll say drawer 1, and this girl's making drawer 2. So
Yeah. Bye guys.
oh, that was the worst voice ever.
We gotta go, but there might be like a part
crap.
3 or something, like, or
Yeah,
a part
but
2.
I don't know, but well, guys, just follow, comment, like, and do a thumbs
comment
up
down below. Bucket 1, 2, or 3.
And if you win, I'll follow you, and you'll give me your TikTok channel, or your parents, and we'll chant, and you'll text me your address, and I'll mail it. So bye.